Now let's do our next exercise. I want to make a Knight Rider effect. Okay, for Knight Rider effect I have to reverse the sequence. Just write 128. This is my previous code. I'm just overwriting the previous code. And 64 and 32 and 16 and 8 4 2 1. Alright, 8 and rest it 16. Alright, 16. This data will go 0 to 15. Okay, in least significant order. Now upload your code. Rest code will remain same. Let's reduce the delay to 300 milliseconds. Alright, now upload your code and then see the result. Yeah. It's still too slow. Let's say 100 milliseconds. Come on. Okay, so here's my Knight Rider effect. So let's do our next exercise. Now we want to turn on all the LEDs without any delay. Without any delay. Alright, so it's already understood you don't need this delay. Okay, and also you don't need this to write the repeated sequence. Okay, just write 8. Okay, and your data will goes from 0 to 7. Okay, now upload your code on Arduino board. That's it. Okay, so now let's do our next exercise.